Welcome to the Business Zone. Hi, I'm Del Murphy, your guide to the zone, where we talk about tips to help your business be more profitable. If you like my video, please subscribe below by pressing the subscribe and bell button. There are also links below in the description for more details on this topic. In this week's video, we are going to cover how to optimize your call to action, or CTA. So let's get started. In affiliate marketing, your success hinges on one critical element, the call to action, or CTA. It's the magic button that turns curious visitors into enthusiastic buyers. But not just any CTA will do. To make your audience click, you need an irresistible one. Your call to action should leave no room for confusion. Tell your audience exactly what action you want them to take. Make your audience feel like they must act now. Use phrases like limited time offer or act now to convey urgency. Your CTA button should be visibly distinct from the rest of your content. Experiment with colors and design elements to make it stand out. Showcase testimonials, reviews, or statistics to build trust and credibility. People are more likely to click when they see that others have benefited from the same action. To recap, first, be clear and specific. Your CTA should leave no room for confusion. Next, create a sense of urgency. Make your audience feel that they must act now. Use contrasting colors and design to make your CTA impossible to miss. And don't forget to leverage social proof, showcase testimonies, reviews, and statistics to build trust. To recap, first, be clear and specific. Your CTA should leave no room for confusion. Next, create a sense of urgency. Make your audience feel that they must act now. Use contrasting colors and design to make your CTA impossible to miss. And don't forget to leverage social proof, showcase testimonies, reviews, and statistics to build trust. Now, let's do a deeper dive into these CTA tips and see how they work in action. Be clear and specific. Your audience should instantly know what you want them to do. Create a sense of urgency. Limited time offers can encourage immediate action. Use contrasting colors and design so that your CTA button can stand out. Leverage social proof. Display testimonials or success stories to build credibility. By applying these CTA tips effectively, you can transform your website into a conversion powerhouse. Your website content plays a pivotal role in converting visitors to buyers. Before creating content, it is essential to understand your target audience. Your content should focus on solving your audience's problems or addressing their needs. Create engaging and scannable content. Align your content with product relevance. Trust is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. Provide honest and transparent reviews of the products and services you promote. Position yourself as an authority in your niche. Engage with your audience through comments, emails, and social media. Customer avatars are indispensable tools for the affiliate marketer. They help you focus in on exactly what it is that your customers are looking for, what their needs are, and what their pain points are. How to build a customer avatar. Start with a person. What is that person's name? What is Allison's age? Where does Alice live? What education does Alice have? Is she married? Does she have children? Now that we know who Alice is, let's look at what makes her tick. Let's look at her background. Describe everything that is important about her. With looking at her background, we're looking for her motivation. Now, let's look at her pains. Lack of freedom, limited income. Again, what we're looking for here is what drives her. What can we solve for her? Look at all of her pains. The more you know about what drives her and what pain she has, the more you can focus on how to solve those problems. It's not just about her pains. It's about her desires also. What is it that makes her want to get up in the morning? Some examples might be financial independence, flexibility, having her own schedule. Hopefully by now you get the point. Describe your avatar's background. Based on your research, create a detailed customer avatar. Craft your content that speaks directly to each of your customer avatars' needs and interests. Continually monitor the performance of your content and your marketing campaigns. Implementing these strategies will not only boost your affiliate sales, but it will also establish a loyal and engaged audience for long-term success in the affiliate marketing world. Ready to maximize your affiliate sales? Start implementing these strategies today. You can start today by downloading the free book in the description of this video. You can also find in the description a link to the more detailed written version of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more valuable insights.